Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. Today, we're tackling a fundamental concept, debits and credits. They might seem intimidating at first, but fear not. In this 3-minute video, we'll break them down into easy-to-understand steps. So, grab a pen and paper, or just relax and get ready to master the language of accounting. Debits and credits, the balancing act. Imagine accounting as a giant balancing scale. Debits and credits are the weights you place on each side to keep it balanced. Here's the key. Debits. These go on the left side of the account and represent increases in assets, and expenses or decreases in liabilities and owner's equity. Think of deliveries that add something to the account. Credits. These go on the right side and represent increases in liabilities and owner's equity or decreases in assets and expenses. Think of collections. That takes something away from the account. Let's see debits and credits in action with some common transactions. Buying office supplies asset, we debit the supplies account, because it increases, and credit cash, because it decreases. Paying rent expense, we debit rent expense, because it increases, and credit cash, because it decreases. Receiving a customer payment asset, we debit cash, because it increases, and credit accounts receivable, because it decreases. Remember, every transaction affects at least two accounts, one with a debit and one with a credit, keeping the accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity, balanced. Debits and credits might seem like a code, but now you know they're simply a way to track the flow of money in and out of your accounts. Mastering them is crucial for understanding financial statements and keeping your accounting system accurate. Feeling confident? Test your new debit and credit skills in the comments below. Let us know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more accounting basics explained simply. Thanks for joining us. Remember, with a little practice, you'll be a debit and credit pro in no time. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.